This thing is so good, bro. Like recording there, I feel like I use a lot of things to make video recording and things like that. But Wistia is being one of the good one, and it's so clean. And editing inside it is really, really great. So, but guys, I'm basically just gonna break these things down here. How I build this automation for this pharmacy state. It's a pharmacy, but they're like a state agent. So they basically sell and buy pharmacies. So what the inquiry was basically, she reached out to me and said, "Oh, okay, I have a pharmacy, but the problem that I have here, um, we get in no show, and also our conversion rate is very very slow. So she complete a form on our website 99 to AI, where I can also show you guys here. So in case if you are an estate agent, service provider, a coach, you're watching this video, you are more than welcome to go to our website, fill any contact form here, or book a straight call with myself so we can hop on and see how we can help you with your business. We can either done for you offer, or we can do with you. So it's basically up to you now. So if you want to learn how to do the thing with yourself, you can choose the done with you. If you want to let us do the automation and handle everything for you, then you're more than welcome to choose done for you. But she basically go on our website, fill the form, and then reach out to us. So her problem was that she have no show, and also a low conversion rate. So after getting that inquiry, we map the project on Canva, see how we can fix her solution. So basically, the first solution that we think we could do there, we we capture the inquiry basically, and then we automate some response, and then we build a CRM for her on Airtable, and then we build the automation sequences on make.com, and then obviously Calendly, we build a new Calendly so people can book a call with them directly, and that is being automated as well. And then obviously we give them a 1 hour before call reminder as well. And then the cold leads that they already have, they were warm leads, but because their system was so shit, they couldn't get back to these leads on time. So most of them are not responding anymore. So what we do, we build a three email sequences where we try to warm those leads again, and then second link we'll try to get them on a call, and third link is just a close, or if they're gonna come and book the calls or not. If they don't, that will be the last email. So that is the solution that we built for them, and the expected outcome to get from what we built for them was that they're going to get two times more book calls, 50% fewer no show, because they were literally having a problem that people are not showing up to their appointments or whatever that might be. So with those automation behind it, that has been increased. And also 100% follow-up rates, because we're gonna be following these people or until they actually show up on the call. So if you're a coach, consultant, an agency owner, wherever that might be, you might be facing the same problem. So you can literally reach out to me. The link will be on this video here. Get in contact with me, see how we can help you. First, we're gonna audit your business. If we can help you, then we can go ahead and do that for you. But if we can, then we're not gonna work together. But that was the solution for her. We basically map everything out here for them, and then go to make.com, where we build those automation for her. And then the CRM, what we use was Airtable. I'll probably just put that here as well so we can see that here. Airtable. This is where we store the lead. So basically, when someone go to their website, they fill a contact form. The contact form will straight go into their Airtable. That is for my agency, but let me try go here. That is pharmacy leads. So what this does here, whoever go into their website, fill the form will basically come up on here and say, okay, you have a new inquiry from your website. These people, that's what they need. If they need to buy a pharmacy or they want to sell a pharmacy, that will be here. So before, they didn't have shit on their website, they were just having leads flowing around everywhere. So we organized that for them completely, and they can track all the leads here. We build a dashboard where they can see how much leads they have got in a month. So basically right now they have no problem to track their leads, and they have a full organized CRM where they can see everything. So we build this on Airtable, connect that to a tally form. Basically, I'm gonna go into tally. Tally form. Chicago Lapu that here. Pharmacy inquiry. So this is basically the form that we built for. So when someone go on their website, there will be a contact us. So when once they click on that contact us, this form is what will pop up. We'll get the prospect full name, their email address, phone number, and their interest if they want to buy a pharmacy or sell a pharmacy. So that is the sequence that we built for. Um, so that contact form will get the information and then store them onto this Airtable CRM that we just built here. So once a leads enter in this CRM here, obviously it needs to get certain follow-ups. Those follow-ups are what we built on make.com. So I'll just go on make. It's literally a simple automation that we built for her, but it was a bigger problem for them. So on make.com here, this is basically what we do. Um, us mapping the project out here on Canva give us the idea to actually build this on make.com so we can save a lot of time for ourselves as well. But this Airtable automation here on make.com, this first scenario here basically mean here we set a module where we said Airtable watch your record. That basically mean here once a customer fill this teleform here, the information will be then go stored in this Airtable CRM here. So the module that we have in make.com here is basically waiting for a new leads to enter in here. That is why you see here it says watch record. So it's basically watching that CRM to see what new data we are going to be having in there. So once we get that data there, this will be then triggered. Okay, now we watch the record. We put a sleep mode here. It needs to wait at least 5 minutes. Make.com only allow 300 milliseconds, which is equals to 5 minutes. So basically, what this does here, once someone fill the form, it will go into the CRM. We have the module running already, but it will trigger once we get the new leads on the form, and then wait for 5 minutes before we then take any other action. So after 5 minutes is completed, it's then just gonna get the record, which is the new leads that is being added there. It's gonna get the new leads and send an email and say, okay, thank you for filling our form, ratata, which is the email that we have added here. So that will be sent to the email that we have on the CRM here. So any email address that we got from the prospect will be basically here. So that email will be then pulled from this watch record to send this quick reminder to book their pharmacy consultation. So now they fill a form on their website. We send them an email to say, okay, you have filled a form on our website. Now you need to book a call. We also we can help you with your pharmacy sales or buy. So they basically now have a lead that is on the CRM that is getting follow up automatically before them to actually take any action toward that list, which is a very big problem for us because people were not showing up to their thing. They were not even booking anything from them. So make.com, what it does here, this email will then send after the lead is being put into the CRM. And then what this does, they will get to book an appointment with them. Once they book an appointment, we have another scenario that will be triggered or make, which is Calendly, because we have their Calendly link into the email address. So when someone complete the form now, they get that email to book an appointment. Once they book an appointment, this Calendly watch event here will be triggered. So this basically what it does here is basically waiting for someone to book an appointment using their Calendly link. So once the booking is landed in Calendly, this will be then triggered and then it will search the record on Airtable here. So it will look for, okay, which person just did a booking from this Airtable CRM here. Most likely, sometimes it's just going to be down here because any new list will just be popping up down here. But it will search for the record on Airtable and then update the record if the person booked the appointment or not. So we'll search the record. We're gonna get the record from CRM, search for it, and then update the record to say, okay, this person have booked an appointment. So automatically, this Airtable file here where it says status, this will be then changed from new leads to booked automatically, so they know, okay, what leads is basically being booked, who's not being booked, who's been follow up, etc. So I think it's really really good to have this organized on here as a business owner, so you have a track of everything without actually doing this manually. Okay, so that is basically all the solution that they really need to fix that bigger problem that they have. As an agency owner, if you know how to serve these businesses with your solution, I think it's really really great idea. You just need to like understand what's their problem, get prepared, know how to map the solution out, and then from there you just go make.com or any other automation platform that you use, and then build a solution for them, get them on a call obviously, and then explain that thing with them. But this is basically what we built for her. This week we had a call, we explained everything, proposal was sent and everything. So at this point we just onboarding more new clients. But if you are an agency owner or a service provider, a coach, wherever you might be, bro, like, this kind of solution will fix your biggest bottleneck. If you don't know how to do it, just reach out to me. I can walk you through it, see how we can help you. We can either do it for you or we can done with you. It's completely free strategy call that we're gonna do first. If we can help your business, then we can go ahead and then build those automation for yourself. If not, we can teach you how you can do that for your business. But I think it's really really great idea, and make.com is doing so good, bro, because it's like they have been doing a lot of updates, like a lot of really really cool shit. Like you can have tools within make.com that can do sentimental analysis for yourself, language identifiers and all that cool thing. It's really good, man. But again, man, I'm not gonna be here repeating myself. That is just the solution we built for this customer. And if that is something that you wanna see for yourself in your own business, just reach out, man. I'll leave that link on my YouTube description. You can fill the form on our website and get in contact with us. With that being said, I'm gonna leave it here. We'll catch up later.